Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the days of the weeks. Okay, days of the week.
Okay.
So as we already know, Bhumi, can you tell me that how many days are there in a single week?
Ma'am, 7 days.
7 days. Very good. And can you name all the days quickly in the sequence?
Ma'am, Monday,
Yes.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. And these days are already mentioned on your screen also. Yes or no?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. So here on the basis of this particular previous knowledge, we are going to solve this particular exercise 4B exercise. Okay. So here we are going to start with the first question. And here the first question is, can you read? Bhumi, can you read the first question? Yes.
Which is usually the first working day of the week.
Yes. So what does it mean? Before telling me the answer, you have to explain what is asking. What question is asking? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Here, Ishita, rotate your camera so that you must be visible. You are not visible to ma'am. Rotate your camera. Yes. And similarly, Kavya also. Kavya, rotate your camera. Yes. Set your camera so that your face must be visible to ma'am. Yes. Okay, Bhumi. Yes. What is the question?
Ma'am, question is, which is usually the first working day of the week.
Yes. So it means you have to tell what?
मैम जो फर्स्ट वर्किंग डे होता है वो कौन सा होता है?
Yes, very good. Means you have to tell the first working day. So can you tell me?
मैम मंडे.
Very good. So Monday is the first working day? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
so here ma'am is going to write down the answer. 1 second. 1 second. So beta, you must always remember this thing that the first letter should be capital. Your first letter should be capital. Okay, always remember this thing. Okay, so here the next one is one second. Ishita, unmute yourself. Yes, Ishita. Quickly unmute, beta, and read the next question. Read the next question.
Which day come after Friday?
Yes.
Ma'am, Saturday.
Very good, beta.
Friday के बाद.
Very good. You should tell me the question first. आपको मुझे क्वेश्चन बताना है कि क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है आपसे. Then you are going to give me the answer. Okay, students? Okay. So, what question is asking? Yes.
कि फ्राइडे के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है?
Yes. So it means your answer will be
Saturday.
Saturday, and the S should be. S should be capital, because S is the first letter of this name. Okay, so you have to write the S as capital. Okay, bache?
Okay.
Okay, beta. So here you can mute, and this time Jay will give me the answer. Jay, are you ready? Quickly unmute yourself.
Yes.
Next one.
मैम वेट वन मैम आपकी ब्रेक ना बहुत हो रही थी ब्रेक तो हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 बच्चे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3.
दोबारा नंबर आ गया था.
मैम which is the seventh day of the week? मैम Sunday.
7th day of the week. Very good. Your answer is?
Ma'am, Sunday.
Sunday. Beta, you should take a place where no other family member can disturb you. Okay? Okay, Jay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you should always take care of this thing. Okay, beta. So now the next one, ma'am is going to select here. Dev Aditya. Dev, unmute yourself. Quickly unmute, bache.
Good morning, ma'am. Which day comes between Monday and Wednesday?
Yes. So what question is asking?
कि कौन सा दिन मंडे और वेडनेसडे के बीच में आता है?
Very good. So what is that day?
मैम ट्यूसडे।
Tuesday. Very good. And can you tell me the spelling of Tuesday?
T capital
Very good.
TSDAY.
Very good. Very good. That is Tuesday. Good. So now you can mute, and this time Rizal will give me the answer. Rizal, are you ready? Yes, Rizal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Next question.
On which days is your school closed? Ma'am,
No, beta.
Sunday.
It means you are not listening. It means you are not listening. We are not on question number 6. Hanji, we are on question number.
Ma'am, 5.
Yes. Okay, now you are going to read the 5. G.
Which day comes before Saturday?
Means?
मैम कौन सा डे है जो सैटरडे के बिफोर आता है?
Exactly. So your answer is?
मैम फ्राइडे।
Friday. And tell me the spelling also.
FIR.
No.
FRIDAY.
Yes, FRIDAY. Friday. Very good. Okay. So here the next one. Kushank, come in front of camera. Kushank. Yes, Kushank. Unmute yourself, Jivita. Kushank, quickly unmute. Ready? Kushank, are you ready? Beta, but you are not audible. You have unmuted yourself, but still you are not audible. You are not audible. Okay, try to do something, and by the time ma'am is going to take one more child. And here, Hadya. Hadya, are you ready? Yes, Hadya.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, sixth answer. Ma'am, sixth है on which days as your school closed? Ma'am, इसका मतलब है कौन सा दिन है जिसमें हमारा स्कूल क्लोज रहता है? मैम, आंसर is Sunday.
Answer is Sunday. Very good.
मैम, S capital.
Capital S. Very good.
SUNDAY day.
Very good. Sunday. Very nice. So beta, by this way we have completed our exercise. Okay. But here ma'am wants to ask few more questions. Okay. Apart from this particular exercise. So students, you all are going to listen the questions very carefully, and you all are going to give me the answers. Okay. I hope you all are ready. I hope you all are ready, and you must be ready. Okay. So students, so here ma'am is going to ask that you have to tell me few days. You have to tell me the days starting from the letter T. Starting from the letter T. Who is going to tell me? Ji beta. Starting from the letter T. And for that, ma'am is going to stop sharing also. Okay. Ma'am is going to stop sharing that. Okay. So, Pushkal, Sabhya, Dev, Danial, Razel, Yash, Vanshika, Kartik, you all are going to give me the answer. But what about the rest of the students? Beta, ma'am is asking that you have to tell me the name of the days starting from the letter T. Starting from the letter T. T letter से जो days start होते हैं, कौन-कौन से days हैं वो? जी. Navya Thakur, why you have not clicked on the raise hand button? Beta, no need to give me your answer on the chat box, please, because ma'am is going to ask here only. So here, Vanshika, can you give me the answer? Yes, Vanshika? Yes?
Ma'am, Tuesday and Thursday.
Very nice. There are 2 days that starts from letter T, and that one, Tuesday and
Thursday.
Very good. Similarly, who is going to tell me? Vanshika, you can mute. Similarly, who is going to tell me the name of the days starting from the letter S? Starting from the letter S. Yes, Sabhya. Yes, Sabhya.
Ma'am, Saturday and Sunday.
Very good. Saturday and Sunday. Very nice. Very nice. So here, ma'am is also wants to ask one question here. Spelling of Navya. Spelling of Thursday. Yes. Navya.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
God bless you, beta. Quickly tell me the spelling.
Ma'am, spelling of Thursday.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. The spelling of Thursday is THURSDAY.
Very good, beta. Very nice. So here we are going to move to the next exercise also. Okay, beta. And in that exercise, what we are going to discuss, that suppose you know what day is today. Can you tell me, Navya, what day is today? Yes, Navya.
Ma'am, today is Wednesday.
Wednesday. So when we are going to ask about yesterday, it means you have to tell me the before today, day before today. Okay, and if ma'am is asking about the tomorrow, so it means you have to tell me the day after today. It is clear? It is clear? Once again, ma'am is going to repeat. Listen, once again, ma'am is going to repeat, but before starting that, ma'am is going to share my screen also. Okay, and students Kunal, Parinita and Parinita Sharma, quickly keep your cameras on. Quickly keep your cameras on. Pragati Sharma, Kunal, Parinita. Beta, everyone keep your cameras on, otherwise ma'am is going to put your absent mark for today because you are not following the class instructions. Quickly keep your cameras on. Okay.
Hello,
and
ma'am.
Yes, beta. Who is there?
Ma'am, Navya Thakur.
Yes, beta. Navya here, ma'am is going to share my screen here. Okay, you will tell me that the screen is clear or not. Okay, Navya?
Okay.
Okay, beta. Do you want to ask something? Yes.
Ma'am, I will tell ma'am, can I say you spelling of Saturday?
Saturday? Navya, spelling of Saturday?
Yes, ma'am.
That is too simple. Okay. Yes.
SATURDAY.
Exactly. So here what we have discussed, that if we know today, what day is today, so suppose we are going to find out the yesterday. If suppose we are going to find out yesterday, okay, so we have to find, or we have to tell us that before today. Yesterday means before today. That is visible on your screen. Yes or no? Before today. Okay.
Yes.
And today means the present day. Today means the present day. That is
Tomorrow.
not tomorrow. That is the present day. जो अभी चल रहा है day आज. ठीक है? And the next one is tomorrow. Tomorrow means the after today. The day that comes after.
Tuesday.
Okay. So suppose our today is Wednesday, as you have just told to me. Okay. So can you tell me what is yesterday? What day is yesterday?
Ma'am, Tuesday.
Very good, Tuesday. And tomorrow? And tomorrow?
Ma'am, tomorrow is also Tuesday.
Tomorrow will be also Tuesday. How it can possible? How it can possible? Tomorrow means after today. आज के बाद जो आएगा. Tomorrow, after today. जी बेटा. That will be.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, मैं आपको क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं पाई थी.
Okay, now you got the point.
Yes,
point.
Ma'am.
After today.
Yes.
After today. आज के बाद कौन सा दिन आएगा? जी, that will be tomorrow, ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me first. Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Yes. Tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Very good. Tomorrow will be Thursday. I hope it is clear. अब तो समझ आ गया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. So we are going to move to next exercise. Very simple. A few questions are here. Only few questions. Okay. So here, Navya, you can mute. And this time, Navya, mute yourself. Quickly mute. And this time, who is going to give me the answer? 1 second. Yash, Parashar, you are not visible to ma'am. Yash, you are not visible. Okay. Dash, ma'am is going to move you from the class, beta, if you are not following the class instructions. And here, Danial. Danial, unmute yourself. Yes, Danial. Danial, quickly unmute yourself. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta. In the first question, if today is Sunday, it means yesterday will be, yesterday was. Yesterday was. Yesterday was Saturday. Yesterday was Saturday. And first letter should be capital. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And that day after tomorrow?
Ma'am, Monday.
That will be Monday. Okay. Means after Sunday, the day will be Monday. Okay. And similarly, you can mute now, bache. You can mute Danial. And this time, who is going to give me the answer? 1 second, ma'am is going to take here. Pushkal, unmute yourself. Yes, Pushkal. Ji beta. Pushkal, are you ready? Students are not visible to ma'am right now. That's why it is not possible for me. Yes, Pushkal, unmute yourself. Quickly unmute, Pushkal. And the second one.
Good morning.
And Anmol, you also. Okay, one by one, you are going to give me the answers. Okay, both of you, are you ready? Both of you?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Okay. First question, Pushkal, then second, Anmol. Then third, Pushkal, and then next, Anmol. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very first question, once again, you are going to tell me. Before Sunday. Before Sunday. Pushkal.
Ma'am, Saturday.
Saturday. First letter should be capital. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And after Sunday?
Ma'am, Monday.
Sunday, that will be Monday. Okay. Yes, Anmol. If yesterday was Friday, then what will be today?
Ma'am, today will be Saturday.
Saturday. Very good.
And tomorrow will be Sunday.
Tomorrow will be Sunday. Very good. Yes, Pushkal. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Pushkal, next. Suppose today is Thursday. So today is Thursday. Then yesterday will be?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. And the tomorrow will be?
Ma'am, tomorrow will be Friday.
Tomorrow will be Friday. Simple. And always remember the first letter should be capital. Okay. Yes, Anmol. If tomorrow is Thursday, then what will be the today?
Ma'am, Wednesday. And yesterday was Tuesday.
Ma'am is not asking about yesterday. Ma'am is asking about today.
Wednesday.
Yes, so you have to tell me the Wednesday. You must listen the question also. Okay, bache?
Ma'am, first I tell Wednesday, then I tell Tuesday.
Okay, then yesterday means?
Tuesday.
The day will be Tuesday. Very nice. Okay, Pushkal, the last one. If yesterday was Monday, so what is today?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. That's so simple. Okay, and the next one means tomorrow?
Wednesday.
Very good. Very good. So beta, this is the way to complete this particular exercise, and such type of questions I have already uploaded one worksheet on ERP. So you all are going to complete that practice sheet. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
And but as the time is over, so I have to end today's class. Okay, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
I have to end today's class. But
Bye bye, ma'am.
you all are going to complete that particular 2 exercises and along with that worksheet. Okay. So God bless you, students. God bless you all. God bless you.
Bye, ma'am.
God bless you.
Hello.
God bless you.
Bye, ma'am.
God bless you.